that's good. We're done. We're done. We put the candle on another candle with a fire. So our candle has a fire. And we put the candle on the like candle putting things though. I'm gonna switch ka. No. This is a cool thing. This is honestly a good this is a good place for a dinosaur show, but it's very realistic. Like the dinosaur show, realistic place, and also Left 4 Dead map. You can also please do. It would be so cool. You so like it, and it would be so awesome. It would be so cool. Yeah. It's a crowd. So there's a lot of witnesses.
Wala ka din.
I think that's supposed to be the hot spring. Is that a cave? You eat babies. I think Dutch lives there. Dutch lives there, guys. You eat people.
Mapupul ka na yan guys, that picture
Yeah.
ka lang.